Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from the Elliott Hall of Music ahead of the 91st Annual Purdue Christmas Show. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. Purdue is celebrating a major win for the Purdue Computes Initiative. The U.S. Department of Commerce has awarded $285 million in CHIPS Act funding to a consortium with Purdue as the lead academic institution. The National Institute will be focused on digital twins for semiconductor manufacturing and advanced packaging. Longtime economic development leader Chad Pittman has been named the new president and CEO of the Purdue Research Foundation. Under his leadership, PRF will continue managing and protecting intellectual property developed at Purdue, promote entrepreneurial activities, and manage the university's endowment. The Purdue Memorial Union will soon be full of holiday spirit. This year's Christmas tree arrives at Great Hall on Friday. A hot apple cider bar and ornament crafting area will be open to visitors at 11:30 a.m. with a tree arriving at noon. The tree lighting ceremony will take place at 5:30 p.m. on Monday. And the 91st Annual Purdue Christmas Show is almost here. Thousands will pack the Elliott Hall of Music for 3 shows December 7th and 8th. Purdue students can now buy one ticket and get one free. Have a great Thanksgiving break, and as always, boiler up.